this insulin is used. Over 150 to 200 million people rely on insulin therapy. And in India, diabetic rates are increasing, which may make India a diabetic capital. This vial is effective from temperatures ranging to 3 to 8 degrees Celsius. And if we leave these vials outside, they may catch temperatures from 20 degrees Celsius, 30 degrees Celsius and even 35 degrees Celsius. And from then, the vial loses its efficacy. Now let's take an example of a type 1 diabetic person. He has to take vials once or even twice a day. But it is not possible for him to take these vials for commuting, working in offices at its advised temperatures. And our competitors do not show the live temperature and they fail without warning, which puts life at risk every single day.
This led us to the innovation of
Viro, the vial cooler,
which is a smart, compact and portable cooling device designed for vaccine and insulin safety. What sets Viro apart is its precision-based cooling technology. It shows the real-time temperature on a display and works in very hot and humid conditions and still provides uniform cooling thanks to its thermoelectric cooling technology. It's shock protected, stores 3 vials and is rechargeable, making it easy to carry anywhere, rural areas, emergency situations and even for daily use. Plus, Viro does not just use insulin, it can use any temperature sensitive vaccine, injection and even anti-venom, making it versatile.
For example, if I get bit by a snake in a remote area, I could just use the anti-venom from the vial cooler Viro and just use it to myself to get saved anywhere.
Hence, we introduced a unique innovation, a vial cooler which has its name as Viro. If we look at its internals, we will notice that it works from the thermoelectric cooling technology. It has its core as the vial case, which can store a maximum of 3 vials since it has 3 compartments, and the Peltier module, which when provided with electric current turns cool on one side and turns hot on the other side. The hot side is usually conjuncted with a heat sink, which leads to the efficient dissipation of heat to prevent overheating. We can also view the electric circuit, which provides power to all the working parts of Viro, and even a microprocessor which provides real-time temperature to the digital display on the outer edge of the vial cooler. This leads to the Peltier effect, where one side of the Peltier module gets cooled up and the other side gets hot. Now, it is also connected to a heat sink, which is also conjuncted to an exhaust, which leads to the efficient dissipation of heat to prevent overheating of the vial cooler. Now, coming over to the competitors, when we compare it to other competitors such as Siemens Case, Breezy Packs or even Fryo, they don't show real-time temperature, don't work well in high humidity and are limited to insulin only. Other products such as Breezy Packs may have hydrogel in them, but it is often sealed in them and irreplaceable. The hydrogel in Viro, however, can be replaced, making it much more long-lasting. The approximate cost of our product is Rs 700. Coming to the global insulin market, it is expected to reach $33.8 billion in 2025 and over $107 billion by 2034, which shows that Viro's growth would skyrocket by cooling vials, saving lives.
Thank
Thank you.